Step 1, join Internet. Step 2, training and experience and some tools. Step 3, get certified. Step 4, pricing, right? Great. You're a member of a big organization. You got trained, you're experienced, you got some tools, you're certified, you're working with your marketing team, but wait, what pricing? If you don't know how much to charge for your inspection service, you're not going to be in business very long. So you have to calculate your profitable inspection fees, and we have that resource for you. It has nothing to do with guessing, has nothing to do with your competitors. What are they charging? Because they could be charging a terrible price and going out of business. You don't want to follow their lead. It's all about math. And in chapter 11, we go over the math on how to calculate a profitable inspection fee. You go to natchi.org/education, our education page, type in business, click the home inspection business course, and you go to chapter 11. Love chapter 11. And you go to right here. So we have examples. Inspector Mary, she's trying to figure out how much to charge per hour. And we also have Inspector John. He's trying to figure out how much to charge so that he can make an annual salary. That's wonderful for him, right? And we go through the math and we calculate how many hours do you work? How many weeks do you work? How much do you charge per hour? What is your goal? It's all about math. And we figure out what Mary and John need to actually charge in order to run a profitable, successful home inspection business. They have calculated profitable inspection fees so that they're successful. We also have a fee calculator. If you needed a calculator, an online calculator to help you calculate a profitable inspection fee, in addition to doing the math with John and Mary, you go to natchi.org, you click the link to log in, top right corner, you log into your account, and you go to your dashboard. My dashboard's going to look a little different than yours. Then you go to down to apps on the left-hand side, and you get to the fee calculator, which is right there. This is a great calculator to help you think about how much you should charge for your inspection business. Let's go through it. How many miles do you have to drive one way to get to the property? Let's say it's 10 miles away. How old is this home? Let's say it's 20 years old. How large is the home? Let's say it's 3,000 square feet. How busy are you? Oh, about average. Let's calculate the fee. Oh, wait, the base price of your fee. Let's say you've done the chapter 11 in the home inspection business course, and you followed Inspector Mary and Inspector John on how they calculated a profitable inspection fee. And it came out, it's about the same as you. And so you put 300 as your base fee, right? You're not charging for mileage or age or size right now, but you can change those in the settings, and then you calculate the fee. And you click calculate, and it comes out $300. That makes sense. Your base price is $300, and you're kind of about average in busyness, right? Let's start all over. Let's say it's 10 miles away, 30 years old, 3,000 square feet, but your business is dead. What should you charge if your base price is $300 and business is dead? The demand is very low. If you calculate the fee, click that button, it helps you understand that maybe your fee is flexible. And because there's low demand, your price needs to go down. And maybe we can fix that demand in some other way. And we'll go over that later in the webinar on how to increase your demand. So you would charge less. And same thing if you were doing a house 10 miles away, it's 30 years old, how large is the home, and you were swamped. Well, when there's a demand for your services, you can increase your fees, right? You can demand higher fees when your company is in demand. So the goal is, how do I get in demand? Or we can go over that. It's all about providing overwhelming value so you can increase your fees. But this can also be fun if you're going to charge for mileage, or age, or size. That's what we used to do, is to own and operate a successful home inspection business, and we charge for distance. Maybe you want to think about charging for fuel, for miles. Well, we have a fee calculator. You should spend some time investing your time and learning a little bit more about how to calculate a profitable inspection fee. Chapter 11 of Home Inspection Business Course, we have a fee calculator.